We will find some aliens tonight. Or find... Yo, okay, Fudge, man. Yo! Oh, wait! Careful, just be careful. Wait. Are we stuck? Why is it stuck? It's basically a delivery service.
Anatidophobia. Fear of ducks. Causes of anatidophobia. I got it. Anatidophobia, or the fear of ducks, might have sprung due to a negative or traumatic incident related to ducks or geese. I think I'm about to have that today. Look, how afraid of you. I'm not afraid at all. Vote. Whoa! 60% of people who are looking this up are very afraid. I guess that makes sense, right? The ducks are back, and they're here to get you. If they see you, run! Collect the rubber duckies to cure yourself from your phobia.
Press E to collect duckies.
This is why I might end up with Anatidophobia today, because I'm playing Anatidophobia, the game.
I think my goal, at least the end of this video, I want to see if I can throw something. Which we like, hopefully it'll land in the trampoline. 3, 2. Okay, alright, that's a little bit anticlimactic, just because this video is a little bit bananas. If you love fruits, alright, there's another one, more violet. Both of them at the same time. So let's see what it does. Will it do the popcorn effect?
And there's a duck right there. I'm already nervous. Look at its eye. Who knows why I'm playing this game? I have no idea, but today I am. I like weird stuff. You like weird stuff. We're on the same page. Let's play. And also, this is a horror game. So if horror games aren't your thing, maybe skip. If ducks also aren't your thing, maybe skip. But if you've got a heart of steel and a brain of mush like me, then let's continue. Oof. Is Donald Duck here? Is Donald Duck already here? I've already broken the game. Guys, I've already broken it. I can't move. What is this? Oh! Oh! No! Get away from me! Get away from me! Oh! I don't even know where I am!